How to enable the glide type feature. So when you type and slide together connecting letters on your Gboard keyboard, you can have the gliding type feature here. So if I say the word slide like this here, it's going to appear. And if you want to turn this feature on, let's go ahead and start. To turn this on for your Gboard keyboard, let's just say you're about to start typing and your Gboard keyboard shows up like this here. You'll go into the settings right there. And once you're here, you will see where it says glide typing. And again, make sure you have the latest update for the keyboard so that you might not miss out on any of the new features, or perhaps it looks different from what I have here. When you see glide typing, you'll go into it and you will go ahead and turn it on. Not only that, you have the show gesture trail, which is that little swirly thing that follows every key to key as you're typing. And then you also got gesture delete. So delete words by sliding left from the delete key, and that's going to remove them quickly for you. And you also got the gesture cursor control. So turn these on if you want them, and if you just want the glide type in, just turn on the top one here. And of course, that's it. Once you're done with all this here, you should be able to have the glide feature now. I'm not a pro as this here, but I'm going to try to say subscribe. So if I get it, you got to subscribe. And so I did. Like and sub.